Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the most popular cars of 2025. Let me ask you something. Do you know which car sold the most last year? It was a Tesla Model Y. More than 1.2 million cars were sold around the world. But why is so popular? Let's take a look. Some cars get more attention than the others. Why? Because they sell well, have great reviews, cool tech, and are better for the environment. So it's not just about the look, it's about how useful the car is. In 2025, electric cars were on top. The Tesla Model Y is a big hit. It looks great and can drive itself. Another one, BYD Song Plus EV, became really popular in Asia because it's cheaper and still very good. SUVs are still very popular. The Toyota RAV4 is a safe and saves fuel. The Hyundai Tucson has lots of space and modern features. These are great for families or road trips. Sedans are still going strong. The Honda Accord and Toyota Camry are both good choice. They are comfortable, safe, and not too expensive. Today's cars have new smart tools. Some cars can park or drive by themselves. Many use clean energy, and some electric cars can even change without cables. So, what is the next? More electric trucks are coming. Electric vehicles will get cheaper, cars will get safer and smarter, and the future is full of change. To finish, 2000, 2025 was a big year for cars, especially electric ones. They are not only good for the earth, they are also cool and high tech. Soon, driving will feel more like using a smart device than just getting from A to B.